I can feel the cold wind coming right through the bottom of the tent.
You are right, Pippa. Let us check the perimeter with Toby and keep it warm.
Help me tuck this felt strip tightly into the gap, Pippa.
I will push it in deep so the cold wind stays outside.
Look, Mom, the pine wall is going to block the wind perfectly. It is a brilliant idea, Pippa. Let us finish the last layer together. It feels so much warmer in here already.
It is like our little secret winter castle, Mom.
I will add the extra marshmallows just for us. That is a perfect idea. It will make it taste extra sweet.
The smell of butter and sugar is filling the entire tent.
I cannot wait to eat them while they are still warm. This is the best snack we have ever made together.
Indeed, it feels wonderful to be safe and warm with you. Read the next page aloud. I love listening to your voice.
Okay, the hero is setting off on a secret snowy adventure. I am getting a bit sleepy, but the story is so good.
We can finish it tomorrow. Just rest for now. Good night, my brave little explorer.
Good night, Mommy. See you in the morning. Good morning, sunshine. It is a new day.
Good morning, Pippa. Did you have a nice sleep?
Let us tidy up the tent before we have breakfast.
I will fold the blankets if you clear the crate, Mom.
Look at how the sunlight catches the ice on the trees.
It is truly a magical start to our morning. I think a cup of warm tea is just what we need.
Yes, and then maybe we can play in the snow. Do you think we will find any animal tracks today?
I am certain we will see many if we keep our eyes open. The windbreak held perfectly through the night.
I knew the branches would work just right.
Pippa, dear, make sure your gloves are fastened tight. Don't worry, I am all bundled up and ready to go.
I love our winter camping trips, Mom.
And I love sharing them with you, my brave girl. We have just enough ingredients for some hearty vegetable soup.
Oh, yes, with extra carrots and potatoes, please.
I am getting very good at chopping these carrots. You certainly are. You are a master chef already.
It smells like it will be a perfect meal.
It is already making my stomach growl, Mom.
Do you think it needs a bit more salt?
Let us taste it together and decide.
The soup is exactly what we needed to stay warm.
It is so yummy. I could have 2 bowls.
I am drawing our tent and the pine trees outside.
That is a beautiful way to remember our trip. The sun is starting to set behind the hills.
Oh, it will be sunset time soon. Should we get more firewood? These branches are quite heavy, but I have got them.
The light is getting dim. Time for the lantern.
It looks so pretty in the sunset glow. Just for you, let us make it rich and creamy.
1 more cup of cocoa before we start our book, okay?
Mom, thank you for taking me on this adventure.
You are welcome, my darling. Let's cherish every moment. This chapter looks quite exciting. Shall we read it?
Yes, read it in your storytelling voice, Mom.
The lantern light makes everything look so soft. It makes the tent feel like a little refuge. We did a good job sealing this tent.
No cold air can get in tonight.
I am ready for a long, warm sleep. Sleep well, my little star. Good night. Sleep tight now.
Good night, Mom.